Welcome back, everybody. Today it's Mercedes 2006 day. What Kaylee's working on, there's a few issues with this thing. The license plate lights don't work. The third brake light in the trunk lid does not work. And the electronic trunk pop to release the trunk latch doesn't work. And first thing she did is she did a little diagnostics with her handy dandy probe and found out that she had to pull part of this Mercedes apart. She had to take that piece off just to be able to access the license plate light, the trunk latch, and all that stuff. Here's the solenoid that she finally got out.
It's built onto the actual trunk latch.
And as you just heard, the latch and everything's all in one.
The trunk release motor.
There's the trunk release motor. Kaylee's gonna have to check and see if everything's working correctly. If not, then she's gonna find out what's gonna have to be replaced. The owner has the key. The marker lights are on, as you can tell here, but the license plate light's not working. And I'm assuming the beeping means that you got power to.
No, that's ground.
Oh, okay. So there's no power to the socket for the license plate light. So she's going to check the other side, make sure that everything is working on that one. That's ground also?
Yeah, it's all grounding.
Okay, there's no power to the license plate light, so she's going to have to dig into the wiring. But as you can see, the light lights up when she put power to the light itself. Well, Kaylee actually found a broken wire right there, and that could solve all the problems. Once she fixes all that, we're going to see what works and what don't work. It also fixed the trunk release, so now the owner can use the electronic trunk release. I appreciate you watching the video, and please hit that bell button and subscribe, and come on back and watch the next video. Everybody have a better day.